That being that, I would like to briefly speak the word of God, and the topic this morning is faith over fear. Faith over fear. Faith over fear. We live in very fearful times in history. We live in a society full of fear. We live in times whereby people are fearing losing their business, maybe to the government, losing their health, maybe to an infection, losing their health, maybe to a disease. You fear losing your family. Those of us that are in marriage, you fear losing your spouse, by the way. We are living in times whereby we fear even what the government is doing. Imagine the kind of push and pull we were having in 2022, talking about Kenya Kwanza and ingine ilikuwa nini? Azimio. Mimi kwanza nilikuwa wa Kenya Kwanza. Elda Kago na yeye alikuwa wa Azimio. Ungetupata pale kwa shade tukibishana. Hii hapana, sio nyinyi ni sisi. Now look at what happened this week. And I'm worried, by the way. As I preach to you this message, I'm also fearing. I can't lie to you, I'm fearing. Because surely, we don't know what will happen tomorrow. Look at Rigiji, a man who fought everything for this government to be where it is. Actually, at some point, I'm told, he was undressed before his children, fighting for this government that is here today. Where is he? In Wamnyoro. He is resting somewhere in Wamnyoro. And I am even fearing even the current deputy, professor. Look at the way he was being taken like this in KICC. Kapandehi, apana upigi picha ukiwa hapo rudi pandehi. Look at him. And I believe he is also fearing for that position. Now, if they are fearing up there, what about you? If the leaders are fearing up there, what about us, the commoners? Look at business people who are here. The whole of last year, and last year but one, it was a very complicated period for the business people. They were fearing KRA. Gari yoyote suspicious ikisimama nje ya biashara yako, what happens? Unaanza kushindwa. Sasa, fear. Right now, if you get someone who is sick, kanisa tusemezane. If you hear your brother is sick, what happens? You don't even fear that he is sick. What do you fear? Shifo. That is what now we are experiencing right now. You get a flu, it persists for a week. Let me tell you. Unaanza kujiuliza, kai, sasa isha. Eh? Your mother tells you, he calls you or she calls you, anakuambia, dio ya dira igwa.